Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in East Legon Hills and we are at this development, this amazing development which is still under construction, but the developers have allowed me to come and have a look whilst they're doing the finishing stages, but we will come back once it's finished as well. But I wanted to show you guys what an amazing project this is. Let's have a look around. So again, you're welcomed into this amazing compound, large enough for your visitors to park their cars. You could easily get about 6 vehicles in this space, I believe. As we're going to go around, you're going to see the amazing details. I absolutely lights on the wall and then the plants against the white backdrop. And if I show you guys this, so this planter here, this flower pot, I love the way they've done this so that whenever it rains, the rainwater falls straight onto the plants, keeping them watered and hydrated instead of, you know, the normal flat surface where it always lays on top. This way the water drops right in. And then you get your very own swimming pool, large enough for you, your guests, your family. You still have the tiler here working, doing the mitering. He's actually going to come and change my ones for me at my property because it wasn't done exactly to my specifications, so he'll be coming to rectify that for me at my property. And then you've got this beautiful wall here, this tile. There's stone tiles on the wall, and you get it on the house, on the pillar of the house as well. So here they're starting to set up the outdoor shower, so you'll be able to wet yourself before you head into the pool. The front area is really big. There isn't really that much space back here. You've got your water tank, and then you've got your pool filtration system going on there. Really quite a big one. And as we're going, because it's still under construction, you're going to see a lot of things like the wall brackets for the air conditioning units, which will all be fitted very, very soon. And then, as usual, in every Ghanaian home, you get an outside tap, an outside sink. Because of the construction, the front door has been shut and covered up because of all the work that's going on. So we're going to come in through the kitchen. So as you come in, you've got the Ghanaian kitchen. So this kitchen is like the one at the back where, you know, any foods that you don't want the aromas coming into the main house. This is where it's situated. And they're just putting up all the cabinetry, so none of the appliances have been put in yet. And then you have a store area here with your electrical cupboard as well. Okay, so as you come through now, you come through to the main kitchen, which is an open plan kitchen. They're still setting up here. So you're gonna get your fridge in here. They've fitted the extractor for the hob. The hob will come in here, and then you've got your sink and So you have your sink and your tap here, your riser, and then the cabinets are all in. They've covered up all the lighting, as I said, because they've got work going on. And then this is some of the furniture that's going to be erected in the property. So just so you guys know that this property is going to be sold fully furnished. And there's also a second property next door that they're working on that's going to be unfurnished. So it's obviously going to show in the pricing. You have a guest toilet down here. Yeah, they haven't done the lights yet, so. So from the kitchen, you come into the living area. These windows, look at this. These windows, look. And then you've got your TV unit here as well. Try and get. They've covered up the chandeliers, so once everything's done, they'll be shown. So when I come back next time, you'll get to see the beauty in all the details, the lighting, the furnishings. So there's the furnitures that are still wrapped up, which will be all installed once everything's finished. And then you've got, this is the front door here. This, gosh, I'm 5'4½", and I can't reach the top. Once again, it's the same developers as the last property tour that I did. You see that they've done the tiles flushed against, right against the wall, so it's not bulging out. I told the developer that I was really impressed with this feature. It just makes the whole thing look really neat. And then again, they've used the mitrin technique for the stairs. And then you come onto the first floor. These ceilings, guys, look. So there's 3 bedrooms located on this level, and this is the first bedroom, bedroom 1. They're just getting ready to set up the wardrobe against this wall here. You've got your bathroom. And whoever gets this bedroom gets their very own balcony as well. And I've also noticed that they've put this guttering in here for rain. If any rain falls on here, then there's a drainage right here for any rain that falls on the balcony. All right, you can treat this landing here as another living room, sitting room area to be shared by the 3 bedroom occupants. So you've got another bedroom here, so bedroom number 2. So I was told that, you see this light? That's actually a fan in the middle. I mean, I'm amazed. Next time we come, we have to get them to put it on for us so you can see how it works. And you also get your air conditioning unit in here as well. And then just behind us here, we have the bathroom. And then we have bedroom number 3. See, the guys are still in here working. They're putting up the wardrobe. They're aiming to have everything completed within the next week and a half. There is a washroom in here as well, which, let's see if we can... It's a bit dark in there because the light switch has been covered up. Right, now we're heading up to the owner's suite. So as always, the owner gets a whole floor to themselves. I'm going to put those switches on you. No, that's for outside. So this is the bedroom. Very huge. We did, when we came here earlier, I have filmed around, so I will insert the clip when it's daytime. And then when you come into the closet area, I mean, if this is not a walk-in wardrobe, I don't know what is. Look at this. Ladies, can you imagine? You take up majority of this space and give your other half a section of this closet space. And then you've got your bathroom here as well, which is a massive size. My voice is echoing here at the moment, that's how big it is. So you're gonna have this whole section with a glass partition. So you're gonna have a glass partition, this whole section here for the shower. And then I've also been told that there's gonna be a bath against this wall here. It's gonna be a bath. And then just behind us here, you're going to have 2 vanities, or his and hers. Mr. and Mrs. gets a sink to themselves. Before I show you the creme de la creme, let's have a look at the living room. So again, nothing's in here at the moment, but this is going to be the owner's living room. And you get a view over the balcony into the neighborhood here as well. And you can see they've got the aircon units, the outdoor units all ready to be put in. Right, guys, look at this. This balcony has just wowed me. It's absolutely huge out here. So nice and peaceful, and the views. Right now it's night, it's just getting dark, so the light's over the city and you can't see it now, but in the daytime you can just make the outline of the Abri Mountains in the distance. And the balcony goes all the way around, so it wraps from the side round the front of the property. And it wraps all the way around. So you've got so much outdoor space. Okay. All right, guys, so that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this tour. I know it's now nighttime, but we will be back when developers have completed the property, and I will go around, show you all the finishing, all the furnishings, and give you the pricing as well on that video. But if you are interested so far, then please reach out to me. You can find my details in the description box and also across the screen. So you can reach out to me at connectwithpatience@gmail.com. That's connectwithpatience@gmail.com. Or you can send me a message on Instagram, and that's patience_atito. Patience_atito. If you are interested in using this developer, reach out to me and I will pass you on to them. Okay? So thank you for watching, guys. And remember that in all your endeavors, to trust God, have patience, and believe for it. And until that next video, guys, have a blessed day. Bye. Guys, if you enjoyed the house tour, please remember to subscribe for more. If you want me to do more house tours, please leave me a comment below. So if you guys want to see more house tours, let me know and I will make sure I put the work in and go out and visit these properties and bring them to you. Okay?